Hello friends, today we are going to learn about creating of REST API for the creation of sales order into SAP. So here my requirement is to develop a REST API into the SAP system which will be consumed by either a SAP or a non-SAP system. So requirement here is to implement both the get and the post method. Like for the get method from the non-SAP system, that is from the service consumer side, they will pass the sales order number, and once the get request is received along with the sales order number, SAP should return all the data related to that sales order as a get method. And in case of post method, the data will be passed from the service consumer, and based on the data, the SAP system, either ECC or S/4HANA system, should create the sales order and return the SO number to the non-SAP system. So this is the higher level business requirement. So as a technical design concept, the very first step is we have to design a deep structure. A deep structure is called as a deep structure which contains at least one internal table, that is a table type, along with some other fields. If we have some structure into SE11 or a local structure which contain some fields along with the table type or internal table, then that structure is called as the deep structure. So why we require deep structure for this SO creation? As you know, when we talk about sales order, the sales order contain the header data as well as the line item data. And the line item data can be of multiple line, 1, 2, 3, 4 or any number. Okay, that's why we require here a deep structure. So the overall steps which are required to achieve this requirement, that is creation of REST API for SO creation with the get and post method, are as below. The very first step is we have to create the deep structure in SE11. Second, we have to create the resource provider class into SE24. After that, we'll be creating the request handle class. The next step will be create SICF service node. And then after that, we have to implement the get method into the resource provider class. The next here, to test as a non-SAP system, I will be using the Postman tool, and from the Postman tool we'll test the get method. Once the get method is successfully done, then we'll implement the post method and we'll create the sales order using the BAPI underscore sales order underscore create from data 2. And the same again we have to test from the Postman system. So those are the overall steps involved in these projects. So to keep it very simple, I am dividing this complete video into the small steps so that you can focus on individual steps whenever we required. So this is about the project requirement, that is creation of the REST API for the SO creation. So in the next, we'll first create the deep structure.